Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Planets of the solar system.
Planets of the solar system.
What is this? This is
Mercury.
Mercury is the
Goldest planet.
smallest planet in the
Solar system.
solar system. Okay, this one. How about this? What is this?
Venus.
Venus is the
Hottest planet.
hottest planet. What's this?
Earth
Earth is
is really one.
where we live on. Mars. What planet is this?
Mars.
Mars.
Red planet.
Red planet. How about this?
Jupiter.
Jupiter is the
Cool.
Jupiter is the
Jupiter is a
B.
like
Jupiter is the biggest planet.
biggest planet. Red spot.
What is the red spot?
What is it?
The red spot is a
Red spot
is a
is
what is the red spot?
raging storm.
Raging storm.
Saturn.
What's this?
Saturn.
Saturn.
Uranus.
Wait now, Saturn has
Saturn has
what's this? Saturn has a
beautiful rings.
beautiful rings.
Uranus.
Uranus is the
Uranus.
Uranus is the
Uranus.
Uranus is the
Coldest planet.
coldest planet. And what is this?
Neptune.
Neptune is the
Coldest planet.
coldest Japan.
Coldest.
And this is the dark
Dark.
vortex.
Dark.
Dark vortex. It is the farthest. They are the 8 planets
There are 8 planets.
of the
Solar system.
good job. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.